Okay. So the army should be. So we need to attack the ducks. I mean birds. So please get back in line. So we could win. If we don't win, we'll make the movie longer, but there will be a part 2, part 3, part 4, and blah blah blah. So, army, set up! Do. You continued. Guys, just do that. I promise. It's still gonna be. It takes a little bit of time for the ants to set up. Okay, back. So guys, we have to attack the ducks. Wait. Give us a second. Turn off the film for a little bit. So, first the ducks had to attack. So we need to attack, and then we had to crawl into the duck's mouth and bite him inside the stomach. Got that? Yeah, we got that. Yeah, we got it. Yep. So, we need to eat the ants and chew them alive. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Delicious. So, attack. Yeah. Wait. Owies. Ha. Well, you're we're ready to fight in all teams.